Year 3. Today we are going to do division using a number line, and we are continuing to look at division with remainders. Okay, so remember that is when we've got some left over when we're dividing into equal groups. So my first example question, I've got 17 and I'm dividing it into 3. I'm sharing it between 3 people. So my number line starts at 0 and it goes all the way up to 17. And all of the number lines are going up in ones, okay? Now because I'm dividing by 3, my divisor is 3, I am going to count up in jumps of 3. So I'm going to go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now, once I get to 15, I know that the next number in my 3 times table is 18. But if I go to 18, that takes me past 17, which is the amount that I have. So I cannot make another jump of 3. Instead, I know that to get from 15 to 17, that's a jump of 2. So I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps of 3. And then a little jump of 2. So my answer is 5, and then my remainder is the last little jump that I've made. 5, remainder 2. Okay, because there's 2 left over. Okay, now we're going to do 23 divided by 5. So 23 shared equally among 5 people. So my number line goes from 0 to 23. Now this time I'm not going to do jumps of 3, I'm going to do jumps of 5 because I'm dividing by 5. And you always jump up in the number that you're dividing by. So I'm going to go from 0 all the way to 5. Okay, then I'm going to add on 5 more to take me to 10. And then my next jump of 5 will take me to 15. And then my next jump of 5 will take me to 20. Now if I've gone 5, 10, 15, 20, I know the next jump would take me to 25. I've only got 23 that I'm dividing by, so I cannot make another jump. Instead, I know that to get from 20 to 23, that's a jump of 3, isn't it? Okay, so I've made 1 jump of 5, 2 jumps of 5, 3 jumps of 5, 4 jumps of 5, and then my remainder is 3 because there's 3 left over. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, remainder 3. And remember, to show the remainder, we just put an R, okay? Brilliant. So I've just got 2 more examples to show you. So we've got 13 divided by 2. Pause the video here, have a think what you're going to jump up in on your number line. Did you get that you're going to jump up in jumps of 2? Okay, so you start at 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 comes next. So if we cannot make another jump of 2 because we've only got 13, and we know that from 12 to 13 that's a jump of 1. So what I'm going to do is to work out my answer, I'm going to count how many jumps that I've made. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps of 2, and I've got remainder 1. There's 1 left over. Okay, final one. Now I've got 14 divided by 4. So I'm going to do my jumps in 4s. So I'm going to go 4, 8, 12, and then we know 16 comes next, but I've only got 14, so I cannot make another whole jump of 4. So what I can do instead is find the difference between the 14 and the 12, and we know that's 1, 2 in between 12 and 14. So my answer is I've made 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4, and then my remainder is the amount left over, so I've got 2 left over. So today you've got lots of questions like this to use the number line to help you to work out the remainders. Okay, so I hope you get on okay with those questions, guys.